Welcome to Holy Rosary Academy. A school for virtue-centered leadership. Our mission is to develop lifelong learners and leaders with character and competence.
Ang Holy Rosary Academy ay may library facility na pwedeng magamit ng mag-aaral.
Ang HRA ay may malaking open ground sa pwede nilang pagsaya at gawin nilang practice place sa oras na kailangan.
At matatagpuan ang HRA along Naga Road sa harap ng Pure Gold Pulang Lupa.
Ang HRA ay may active clubs na pwede mong salihan, kagaya ng Dance Varsity, Glee Club, Volleyball Varsity, and Basketball Varsity.
I'm a leader. I'm a leader. I'm a leader. I'm a leader.
I'm a leader. I'm a leader.
We are leaders.
Because of HRA, every learner is a leader!
Holy Rosary Academy is open for enrollment. We offer senior high school, grade 11 and grade 12. For ABM, UMS, STEM, and Gastran. Enroll now!